Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fabulous and fantastic day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel. Thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. To those who are new to my channel, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? I would like to remind you guys to please use your own discernment. It's because I do believe that we are all intuitive in our own ways. And aside from that, I also believe that we are all individually responsible for our own choices and our own destiny, right? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Show me the cards that I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, welcome back again to my channel. Let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Queen of Swords. We also have the King of Wands, the Page of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Moon, the Two of Swords, the Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, the Eight of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and at the bottom of the deck we have the Star. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. I would like to remind you again that this is not a personal reading. For some of you guys, it could not be your energy. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. If it is not resonates to you, just leave it, because this is not a personal reading. Maybe this is not your energy. Okay? The first foundation of your readings is the Queen of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. Your current energy is you are standing in your higher self, because you knew the truth and you are not scared to tell the truth, the harsh truth. For some of you, you believe that only the truth will set you free. You are not also scared to cut off the ties of some people who are lying on you, betraying you, manipulating you, putting you in a third-party situation. The people who tried to manipulate you, who tried to control your life, you are tired and sick of these people. That's why you are standing in your higher self. And the truth, nothing but the truth, will set you free. And this is your energy. You are very strong. You have a control of your own life. You have also a structure. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who has an authority. This person is also a strong person. This person also have a structure in their lives. Could be an Aquarius. Could also be other sign. This person viewed you as a strong person, that you are not scared to tell the truth, and you are standing in your higher self. Take only what fits in your story. And we have here the King of Wells. This is the obstacles and influences in this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like for most of you, this is your energy. You have a financial success and stability. It's because of your hard work and or your legacy. It doesn't matter if you are male or female. You are very practical and ambitious person. And that's why you manage to have a financial success and stability, because of your practicality and of course of being an ambitious person. Others of you guys, it could also be that you have a self business. Maybe you are a CAO or an independent contractor, and you have also a financial success and abundance. You are a wealthy person. For some of you, of course not all of you. If this is somebody in your life, you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Taurus. This person is ambitious, practical, and this person is a wealthy person. This person could be willing to support you, or this person wants to give you a gift, especially related to material world. This person could be in your family, maybe your partner, your father, or your boss, or some of you in your workplace. Yeah. Or it could also be this person is a new person, and this person admiring you for being strong, that you are not scared to tell the truth, that you are standing in your higher self. Could be a Taurus or an Aquarius. Both person having a status. Both person is strong. Maybe these two persons are admiring you. The Queen of Swords, Aquarius, or a Taurus, the King of Pentacles, which is the King of Wells. I don't know who is this person in your life, but for most of you guys, this is your energy. You embody the energy of the King and Queen of Swords and the King and Queen of Pentacles. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here the base of the situation is the Page of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. For some of you, you are very defensive. It's because you don't want to prolong into mental agility, especially when there are people who wants to engage you in a conflict and a fighting mood, and that's why you are very defensive. Others of you guys, it could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Gemini viewed you as a person who is very defensive. Could be that this person is strategizing on how to approach and communicate you. This person could be your ex or a new person. Or it could also be that this person is spying on you far from a distance. This person could be your stalker. This person is gathering some informations and ways, finding how to approach or to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be other sign. But the Page of Swords is embodied the energy of a Gemini, or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to be strategic. You are advised to think first before you act, because sometimes when you are taking an action without thinking, without analyzing, it may lead you into troubles and or conflict. This is the base of the situation's energy. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Eight of Wands. This is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. It could also be a group of people, because this is not only one, this is more than one. I feel like you are going to receive a quick and clear communication, and I love this card for you. This is all about positivity. For some of you, you are going to receive this communication through your email, your WhatsApp, your messenger, or any other kind of communication. I don't know who is this person, but you are going to receive a quick and clear communication, because this is your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. It could also be that it involves here a leveling up. Maybe you are going to have a promotion at work. For some of you, maybe this involves with traveling. Maybe you are going to travel alone or with this person, or you are going to travel with your family. I don't know what is your story. It could also be that this person wants to have a romantic travel with you. Could be a Sagittarius. Could also be other sign. It could also be that you are going to travel, or you are planning to have a vacation holiday. For some of you, you are going to travel and work. Take only what fits in your story. This is all positivity. Congratulations in advance. And we have here your energy and the destined future, around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like there is a secrets here hidden. It could also be that this person wants to reveal their secrets towards on you. It could also be that this is their feelings. I don't know. Somebody is keeping secrets. It could also be that there is a deception here and lies. Or this deception and lies is going to be exposed. This is your energy in the destined future, around 12 months. Could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. The universe advises you to pay attention to your dreams and also the synchronicities, and to listen to your intuition, the wisdom of your heart and your body. Because I feel like somebody here is keeping secrets on you. There is, could be a vagueness of this situation, a misconception, or somebody here is hiding secrets from you. Take only what fits in your story. It could be that this is your energy or the person you are dealing with. It's because in tarot, it could also be reversal. Okay? And we have here the past experiences and influence in this reading is the Two of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Remember, in your last reading, this card was also come out. Maybe you are dealing with a Libra for some of you. Of course, not all of you. It could also be that you have a Libra in your birth chart. For some of you, I feel like this is your energy. For some of you guys, you are in the crossroads, because maybe you are confused, or somebody blindfold you somebody wants to isolate your mind. Somebody could be tried to block your third eye chakra, that you cannot see the truth. Yeah. This is making a decision of a challenging situation. I don't know what is your story. Maybe you are in the crossroads. It's because you are not sure what will happen on the next day. You cannot see what is the result of this particular situation. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of Libra. And this person is in the crossroads. Could be that this person put you in a third party or love triangle in the past. And this person is now making a challenging decision. Because this person doesn't want to stay like this, to be in confusion. Could be a Libra. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to clear up your mindset. It's because this is only the conflict between your mind and your heart. And you have always an infinite potential to change these negative mind thoughts into a positive one. Rest and calm your mind. And you are advisor as well to listen to your intuition. Double confirmation. You look. Maybe for some of you, you are confused because you sense that somebody is keeping secrets on you. Could be a Pisces or a Libra. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Okay? And we have here the 10 of Cups. No, sorry guys. This is, yeah, correct. The 10 of Cups. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Double confirmation. You look. The Moon. I feel like this is your energy. You are going to receive a windfall. Sorry guys, this is not a Pentacles, this is a Cups. I think that this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to offer you a marriage proposal. This person could be a Pisces. And this person wants to have a happily ever after with you, an established family relationship. If you are a single Scorpio, if you are a married Scorpio, it could also be that this person wants to return to apologize and to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Pisces, could also be other water sign or any other sign, because this person viewed you as having an emotional stability, to be the mother or the father of their kids, or to celebrate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be a Pisces. It could also be that for some of you, you are following your intuition and you have an emotional stability. That's because of what you have experienced in the past. And that's why this person viewed you as a marriage material. This person wants to have a happily ever after with you. Likewise, it could also be that this is your energy towards the person, because you want to have a stable and longer relationship if you are single, because you are tired of in and out of your life. If you are married, Scorpio, this is your energy. You want to patch it up together with the relationship of the people, especially in your family, because you want to have a harmonious relationship with your family, or it could also be that this person wants to patch up the relationship between you and them and to celebrate, to reunite. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your energy in your environment, either at home or in your workplace. Somebody here wants to reconcile with you, to celebrate, to return if you are already married. And if you are singles, somebody here viewed you as a marriage material. Vice versa, it could also be this is your energy to this person who embodied the energy of Pisces. Could also be other sign. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Four of Cups. This is your immediate future energy around 3 weeks. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is feeling stuck in the past. This person is still hanging in the old energy. This person couldn't let you go. Could be a Cancer. This person could be in your family, could also be your ex, could also be in your workplace, in your friend circle, or in the community. This is not only one person, this is a group of people, could be, because this is Four of Cups. And this person or group of people are still clinging in your energy. And this person or group of people is feeling rejected by you. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to eradicate these negative feelings, because this is only a temporary and it won't last longer either. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. You are advised to turn around because you still have 3 cups remain. You should not have to waste your time to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your hopes and fears is the 8 of Wands, which is the 8 of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Again, every time when I read or you have a Virgo in your birth chart, it could also be a group of people. This is your energy. You are focusing and mastering your creativity. Could also be an investment or a business venture. That's because you want to have more financial success and stability. You are devoting your time and energy to this creativity. If this is your energy, you are advised to stay focused and don't get distracted. It's because for some of you, you want to have more financial success and abundance. Although for some of you, you already harvested the fruits of your labor. And you want more success and stability. And you are halfway there. It could also be that you are dealing with this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo. And this person wants to nurture the relationship between you and them. Could also be that this person needs your financial help, or this person wants to support you, wants to collaborate with you, especially with this investment, creativity, or a business venture. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that these are the group of people in your family, in your workplace. Could also be in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? This is your hopes and fears. And we have here the Queen of Wands, which is the Queen of Pentacles. This is the final outcome of this reading. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo, double confirmation, or you have a Virgo in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. Maybe you are going to meet this person, your divine counterpart, because the King of Wheels and the Queen of Wheels. It could also be that this is the meeting of the two successful, financially stable individuals. This could be your divine counterpart, a rendezvous of a divine feminine and a divine masculine. You look, King of Wheels, which is King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. It could also be that this is the reunion of the two successful persons, of the two hardworking, self-made, wealthy person. If you are the one, of course. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are a wealthy person, a successful individual because of your hard work, self-made, or creativity. It could also be that you are an independent contractor, a CEO, or a self-employed successful person with their legacy. I don't know what is your story, and you are connected to the Mother Earth. You are a very nurturing and loving person. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Virgo viewed you as a marriage material, or could also be that this person viewed you as a very nurturing person. Could be a Virgo, could also be other sign. For some of you, maybe you are spending most of the time at home. You are doing gardening, you are doing household chores, or maybe you are investing your money in realty. Yeah. And this is your energy for some of you. Others of you, you are manifesting this, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why you are focusing your time and energy. You look, mastering this creativity, an investment, or a business venture. It's because this is your goal. For some of you, you want to have a financial success and stability. Yeah, with your own effort, your own legacy. I don't know what is the nature of your job. Could also be that this person needs your support, especially financially. Could be a Virgo. Could also be that this person is feeling entitled with your success. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the final outcome of this reading. You are the Queen or King of Pentacles. You look, this is the obstacles and influences in this reading. Maybe this is the reunion of two successful persons related to material world. Both of you are practical, and both of you having an abundance. It's because of your hard work, legacy, and of being self-made wealth. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And let me see your outside influence is the Ace of Wheels. Sorry, Ace of Wands. Sorry guys. For some of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or it could also be that you are attracting a fire sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are very excited. You are, what do you call this? You have a spark, and you want to start this new creative spark. It could also be a new ideas. And you are accepting the challenge. For some of you guys, it could also be that this is a new passion and desire, which leads you to a platonic and a romantic relationship. Others of you, you are very curious and eager because you have a fire and passion in your heart. You want to take an action with this new creative spark. For some of you, it could also be that this is an offer. Somebody will offer this to you. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or it could be that this is your offering towards to somebody else who embodied the energy of a fire sign. Or you have a fire sign in your birth chart. I don't know what is your story. This is the outside influence. A new creative spark, a new passion and desire. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here, to clarify the outcome of this reading, is the Star. And my last reading, it was also come out, my previous reading, I mean. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. After all the devastated storm in your life, the chaos, the distraction, the turmoil, the pain, and the burdens, this is like you find the light at the end of the tunnel. Others of you, it could also be that you have a sacred insights. You have a gift from the universe, and you are advised to use your gift in order for you to inspire and to give hopes to other people in the world. For some of you, this is your energy after the devastated storm in your life. You managed to find the light at the end of the tunnel. You are healing your past trauma. For some of you, you are continuing your healing journey. There is peace and tranquility in your surroundings because you choose peace over drama. Others of you guys, it could also be that you are recuperating from the past painful experiences caused by this person who embodied the energy of an Aquarius. It could also be other sign. For some of you as well, it could also be that this person wants to heal the trauma, the grudges between you and them. Could also be an Aquarius. Or you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye. It could also be that you are in the public eye, or both of you are in the public eye. This person viewed you as a star because maybe this person inspired, and maybe you are giving hope to this person. I don't know what is the nature of your job. For some of you, it could also be that you have a platform in social media, or you are working in the public eye. Maybe you are a performer, a singer, an actor, what do you call this? A leader of the state. For instance, the President of America, Joe Biden, and the King of England, King Charles III. They are called the star because they are in the public eye. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You are having peace and equilibrium in your surroundings because you prioritize your healing and inner peace after all the pain you have experienced in the past. The universe wants to advise you, or wants to give you this message, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, that you are on the right path. You need to follow the star in your journey because you are on the right path. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, why the moon in this reading? Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Why the moon here, please? Tell me more about the moon in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The moon is clarified as open heart, receptive, empathy, vulnerable. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces, or you have a Pisces in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. This person wants you to be vulnerable once again to them, to open your heart once again. maybe you are no longer connected with this person. Yeah. For some of you, maybe you cut off the ties of this person. Yeah. And you also block on your social media and in your mobiles. Maybe you are detaching your energy from this person. Could be a Pisces. And this person wish and hope that you will open your heart once again to them, to be vulnerable once again, to accept their apology. Maybe this person wants to tell you the truth. Maybe this person wants to reveal the truth or the secrets they are keeping on you. Or it could also be that this person wants to tell the truth before the whole secret exposed. I feel that this person doesn't know how to communicate with you and how to approach you because of the past situation. You cut off the ties. You are detaching your energy. It could also be that this person keeping secrets on you, and before it will expose, this person wants you to open your heart once again, to be vulnerable to them. Yeah. Take only what fits in your story. Could be a Pisces. This person could be in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex. In your friend circle, could be as well, or in the community. And clarify me please the Two of Swords here. Why the Two of Swords in this reading? Tell me more about the Two of Swords here, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. The Two of Swords is clarified as boundaries. No, drawing the line, enough. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Libra, or you have a Libra in your birth chart. Maybe this person put you in a love triangle, in a third-party situation in the past. Because somebody here could be divided their attentions into two. And you ended up this painful scenario in the past. You are putting a healthy and clear boundaries. No, enough is enough. You are drawing the line. Could be a Libra. Could also be other sign. Could also be an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Maybe this person is engaging you in a love triangle in the past. I don't know what is your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. But you are no longer dealing with them anymore. Enough is enough. And clarify me please. Why? Why the why the Queen of Pentacles in this reading? Tell me more about the Queen of Pentacles here. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. The Queen of Pentacles is clarified as breaking point, limit, final straw. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Virgo and you are enough with this person. You give this person a breaking point, a final straw. Enough is enough. Yeah, you look. This is, maybe this person causes you too much overwhelming scenario. Causes you too much burdens in your mind and in your heart. And that's why you give this person a breaking point, a final straw. Could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of people, includes Virgo. Could also be other sign. I don't know your story. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me please. Why the King of, because the other one is the Queen of Pentacles. Why the King of Wands here, which is the King of Pentacles? Clarify me please the King of Wands in this reading. The King of Wands is clarified as family. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. This person could also be a new person or your ex. I don't know who is this person. Could be a Taurus. This person is a wealthy person, and this person is normally a King of Pentacles, is a married person. Could also be that this person is divorced with children, of course, because this is a successful person, a wealthy person, and this person wants to have a family with you. to be the mother or the father of their kids. It could also be that this person wants to support you financially. Likewise, it could also be that this is your energy towards this person. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, clarify me, please, the Page of Swords in this reading. Why the Page of Swords here? Tell me more about the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords is clarified as clinging, holding on, obsessing, spying. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Or it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini only, or an air sign, because the Page of Swords is normally embodied the energy of a Gemini. It could also be other air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Could also be other sign. And this person is clinging on your energy. This person is holding on, obsessing and spying on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This person couldn't let you go. You remember, you look, somebody here is holding on. Somebody here is still clinging your energy. Could be a Cancer or an air sign, Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the star in this reading. Why the star here? Tell me more about the star in this reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising. Thank you, spirits. The star is clarified as elusive and obsession. You look, elusive and obsession. This is an illusion. This is a fake. Yeah. This is dishonesty, deception, and trickery. This is the clarification of the star. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is in the public eye. Or maybe you are dealing with an Aquarius. I never say that Aquarius is bad because somebody is commenting my previous reading. She mean that Aquarius, she's asking if Aquarius is bad. I replied to her comments, I never said that. I'm just basing what comes out in my reading. Yeah. Maybe you are dealing with an Aquarius and your relationship with this person in the past is not real. It's only an obsession, dishonesty, trickery. Yeah, look, obsession. Yeah, this is only an infatuation and adoration and addiction. Yeah, this is not a real deal. Maybe you are dealing with this person in the past, not necessarily an Aquarius. Could also be a person who is in the public eye. And this person wants to heal the grudges and the relationship between you and them, but this person is not a real deal. Hey, look, this is an elusive. It's only an obsession, an infatuation, an admiration. Yeah, not a real deal. Either a person in the public or an Aquarius. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the 10 of Cups in this reading. Why the 10 of Cups here, please? Tell me more about the 10 of Cups here. The 10 of Cups is clarified as escaping, avoiding, blocking, pushing away. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Pisces. And maybe you already cut off the ties of this person. I don't know who is this person in your life. You already blocked as well. You are disengaging your energy to this person. You are escaping. You are pushing them away. You are blocking and avoiding this person. Could be a Pisces. I don't know what is your story with this person, but this is your energy. You don't want to do something with this person. Maybe this person is in your family, could also be in your workplace, could also be your ex, your friend circle, or in the community. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Queen of Swords in this reading. Tell me more about the Queen of Swords here, please. Why the Queen of Swords in this reading? The Queen of Swords is clarified as possibilities, free-spirited adventure, and risk. For some of you guys, it could also be that you're dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Maybe this person wants to amend the relationship. Maybe this person find ways because this person wants to approach you, because this person aiming to have a new possibilities on you. Yeah. Or it could also be that this person wants to take a risk towards on you. Could be an Aquarius, could also be other sign. Yeah. Maybe this person is your ex or a new person, and this person viewed you as a person who had a free spirit and doing an adventure. It could also be that in the past, this person viewed you as a person who is only for adventure. Yeah. That's why the clarification of the star here is clarified as an obsession, addiction, infatuation, and adoration, and elusive. Yeah, relationship. Maybe you are dealing with an Aquarius, double confirmation, the star, and the Queen of Swords. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Clarify me, please, the 8 of Wands in this reading. Why the 8 of Wands? Thank you, spirits. The 8 of Wands is clarified as thinking, missing you, craving, and desiring. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Sagittarius, or you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart, and this person's feelings towards on you is, you look, thinking, desiring, craving. Could be this person is your ex or a new person. I don't know who is this person in your life. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it is resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share in order to enlarge our community. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.